The first Faceless channel is going to be Primate Economics. It is over 500k subs with only 24 videos. That's pretty good. And some of their videos get millions of views. Now, it's 100% faceless and just simple videos explaining economics. Now, Lucas, how the heck can a monkey talking economics using bananas, weird sentence I know, get a million views? The secret is humor. Now, economics is a subject that's usually very boring to most people. Now, made funny with humor, monkeys and bananas, plus lots of memes, it's actually really smart. And the best part is the CPM. Now, economics and finance is a high CPM niche, meaning that advertisers pay a premium for it, meaning his CPM/RPM, basically what he gets paid on YouTube, could be very high per view, 5, 10, or even 20 times higher than normal explainer videos, simply because of the niche. So getting a million views per video in the economics niche could potentially be worth as much as 10 million views in another niche. I'll give it a score of 7.5 out of 10. Short videos, but takes a lot of effort, and that's why he barely posts. I mean, his growth is pretty limited for that reason. But if you can be smart about using AI, outsourcing, and build a system, which, spoiler alert, you actually can, then go for it. Next up, this channel is new, started in October 2025, and some of their videos get hundreds of thousands of views. And it's literally just a photo and some music. It's called Focus Zone, and they use AI photos of luxury offices and villas that people just have on their screens while, working and listening to. Now, the best part, their videos are like 2 hours long, meaning 100,000 views in this niche with these videos can actually have a really high CPM as well, because their videos are so long. So how do you start a channel like this? Well, if I were to start a channel like this, here's exactly what I would do. I would look at their most popular videos, see what patterns I can find that seems to be working. And right here, the pattern I find is focus like a CEO. And the background is either a city or a really beautiful nature, landscape. And it feels extremely luxurious. And then I would take this concept and do the same thing for another setting. So instead of night and winter, like this channel focuses on, I would do early morning in the summer. That way you can take all the elements behind their success and bring them over to your own similar but different channel. And again, these videos are so easy to make, like you don't even need an editor, you don't need a scriptwriter, there are no costs to producing this video pretty much at all. Now that being said, I'm only gonna give this niche a 6.5 out of 10 score because you do have to be very strategic and know what you're doing, and most of these channels will kind of fail and the competition is high, but clearly, as we can see, there is demand still if you know how to do it correctly. And this is even a new channel, so it seems to work. Next up is another new channel, started 2 months ago and over 12k subs and getting serious view counts. And we're talking 10 to 50k and sometimes even 100k views, completely faceless on this channel. And I'm showing you this early so you can do the same, because most people just show opportunities when they're already gone. This channel is literally new and growing as we speak, meaning the niche is still underrated and untapped. All the videos on this channel follow the same format, meaning your life as something or what it was like to be every rank of something. Now, I keep track of hundreds of faceless channels, and this type of video is really killing it at the moment. So if you look at their most popular videos, most of them are kind of related to addiction or something dark like gambling and other addictions. But the real secret here is to format it as your life as X, or what it was like to be every rank of X, combining that with something really, really interesting and new. And this niche is literally endless. Now, not the best niche to monetize because of the controversial topics, but he's getting a lot of views, so you can definitely do AdSense and some sponsorships and do just fine. 7 out of 10. Next up is going to be the Angry Explainer. Now, this channel is over 500k subs with only 130 videos, and it's getting tens of thousands of views per video, and it's literally just a simple stick figure video with a voiceover. Now, the niche itself is going to be study tips, basically how to study better, how to focus, blah, blah, blah. And it's 100% faceless. But here, again, their unique angle is going to be comedy, humor, and memes, making a boring subject, studying, a little bit more fun, or at least, just a bit more fun at least. And all the thumbnails have the same format and style, and the videos also follow the same format, building a loyal audience who knows what to expect from each video. And that's also a secret. And that's it. That's all the channel does. Study tips, simple, comedy, but it works. Now, he earns from his ad revenue and also from the coaching program that he sells for $97, helping people study. Now, we don't know how many units he sells per month, but with 500k subs, I mean, that's 500,000 subs, he's not struggling financially, trust me. Now, the funny part here is you're thinking, okay, well, Lucas, clearly he's been doing this for years, right? No, the first video is literally just 1 year old. So I'll give this niche and channel an 8 out of 10 score, and let's move on. Now next up we have a brand new channel called How Really. So you might look at this channel and think, oh, this is bad, they're not getting viral videos. But this is how you find untapped niches. But they barely have any subs or channel history whatsoever, but their first video on a specific topic went absolutely viral. And that means to me, this niche and this video topic is very hot at the moment, if a new channel can essentially explode from it. And by looking at small channels and finding their outliers, we can find untapped opportunities in different niches. And I promised you, if you made a similar video, the concept is already proven and it would do well. No score for this channel. I mean, it's hard to give it a rating. It's more about finding opportunities on the channel, but don't underestimate small channels. That's where you can find true gems to kind of recreate. Next up is going to be Martic Finance. Faceless, over 75k subs, and only 35 videos, which is insane. They explain financial concepts, mostly like personal finance for beginners. And it's a very strong niche because of the CPM and how easy it is to monetize a personal finance channel. And also he's getting a lot of views, so that makes it a little bit easier, with multiple videos reaching into hundreds of thousands of views. Now, I'm not going to try to predict the CPM or the revenue of the channel. I don't like doing that. Although nowadays there are actually tools that can help you see a little bit more information about their, demographics and all that stuff. But still, I don't like to predict the exact numbers. But drop a comment below if you want a video on that, because research is really how you find the good niches and, that are worth getting into and worth your time. I see a lot of like YouTube gurus telling you to start like 10 different channels and do 10 different things. That's not going to work for beginner. It's going to be way too much, even if you're kind of like outsourcing and doing all that stuff. And I can tell you from experience, like if you start 1 or 2 channels in a good niche, they can generate enough substantial revenue. Instead of splitting your focus on like 15 different channels and making your life a miserable hell before getting your first initial success. So I'll give this niche a 9 out of 10. He's promoting an investment firm and probably making very good amounts from the channel, if I'm being honest. And if you want to jump into this niche or start a similar Faceless channel, you can check the link in the description for a free video on how to actually start Faceless channels my way, which is, my totally unbiased opinion, the best way. Next up is a small channel that's getting a few outlier videos, and it's called Young James. And a small channel with some viral videos is a great opportunity. And it means the niche is good, as we talked about, but he's not creating the best videos and he's not optimizing the channel at all, to be honest. And if you know how to take over this niche, it's still pretty much wide open for somebody to just come in and grab all the views. And it's about stopping addiction, or specifically adult content addiction. Now, I reviewed this niche in detail in another video. It was an experience, let's say that. And I really like this niche because of how evergreen and strong it is, because people always want help with this niche, and it's easy to monetize as well. And the competition is also pretty low. Because most creators, especially the guys going on camera, they skip this niche. They don't want to talk about their personal life in this way on camera, which I totally understand. And that's why it's a great opportunity for you as a faceless creator to talk about that specific niche. Now, you can monetize a Faceless channel on day 1 if you do it correctly, so check out this video where I explain how with case studies. It's a pretty good video, it got a lot of good reviews, and you should probably enjoy it too. You would.